Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Josh and you're watching C3S Garage. In today's video, I have a super special product. I never thought I would have this, but we have 3W floor mats. What do you guys think? These things are amazing. I actually have plenty of experience with 3W. I had them on my previous car and I bought the car, installed the floor mats, sold the car 4 years after, 5 years after, and I still had the floor mats intact. They were so well that I was able to sell them for almost the same price that I bought them. I absolutely trust the brand. I believe in the brand and they have a really cool product that I want to share with you guys today. If you guys are interested in watching this video, feel free to stay tuned. If not, feel free to watch all my other videos, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Now, for those of you guys that have been in the channel and have been loyal subscribers of my channel for a long time, you guys know that there are 3 things that I just can't simply live without. 1, cup holders. 2, Tesla rattle noises. I've literally omitted almost 90% of the rattles and I still have more to find out. And 3, floor mats. The reason for this is because every single time I open the door, the first thing that I look at is my floor mats. If the floor mats are dirty, that means that the whole freaking car looks dirty and I hate the look of them. Now, I will go ahead on a note and say that I used to sport the Westliners floor mats, which I thought were extremely good floor mats. They are still holding up really, really strong and I absolutely love them. And I think that those floor mats were extremely good for the purpose that they serve, which is taking care of the surrounding of your car. They pretty much cover all surfaces of your car as far as the footwell goes. Problem with those floor mats is that when it rained, the floor mats did feel a little bit slippery. They also faded a little bit after a while and they just looked like they had been worn a lot more than I had them, which was about 6 months. Essentially what you get with any type of floor mat that you buy, as long as it's not that weird styrofoam, plasticky, composite, whatever that floor mat is, because they are terrible floor mats and they warp over time, is you get a nice laser cut, or in this case, a molded in floor mat like 3W. It's a strong floor mat. It has a ton of grip on the back. It has really nice designs and you get a whole bunch of grip for your footwell. These are extremely nice floor mats. They feel rough, they feel robust, they feel like you can take some serious abuse with these ones. And to top it off, 3W has decided to just make this already amazing floor mat into something spectacular. I am talking about carpeted floor mats. Look at these things. These things don't get any better. I mean, these things are crazy. So you get your typical floor mat, which is this plastic molded in floor mat that 3W has done for ages now, but they also have a carpeted material that clips on to your standard floor mat. One problem that I had with my Westliners or any other type of floor mat is the simple fact that because they have such a echoey material, it creates unwanted echo and unwanted noise in the car. And I think hearing my feet or my shoes scraping against the sides of the floor mat really caused an issue of me. And I know I'm reaching on this one, but it's just the simple fact that Teslas are loud cars already, and having more loudness and more echo just doesn't help. So having carpeted floor mats goes a long way, specifically with Teslas, because these things are sound deadening. They keep the car quieter and they just look that much better. The installation is just as simple as you would think. It's just sliding in the floor mat and enjoying it after all. If anything were to spill on these floor mats, you can always remove them and wash them. This part is coated in plastic, which means that this thing is also cleanable. I mean, how cool is this? This is like incredible to see from a floor mat. And from 3W, I think this is just a game changer for us. 3W also has the rear portion fully carpeted as well, which I think it's great for this car because it just makes the car look so much better. As I mentioned, it keeps it quiet, it keeps it nice, it makes it look clean. And so having this just looks a lot better. The fabric is also premium, it feels good, it's thick, it's not just that Tesla cheap kind of, liner that you get with the Tesla, with the upper models, but it's actually a very nice thick material, which I think is really nice. They also have full coverage for your trunk. So they have your floor mat that covers the whole surrounding area of your trunk. They have the backseat panel just in case you have pets or if you have work materials that may damage that carpeting on your car. And they also have the front and the underside of the trunk covered to help with that as well. As I mentioned, these are not even laser cut, these are molded in, so they fit absolutely perfect on this car and they look absolutely gorgeous. And I am very, very pleased with this. The most important thing is that I always talk about taking care of your Tesla, keeping it nice, taking care of everything that your car comes with and upgrading it to better things. But the floor mats are one of those things that it's just floor mats, it's something that you step on. So it's not something that's really cool. It's not something that anybody wants to spend on, but it's something that you must spend on because it definitely takes care of your car. It makes it look that much nicer. It keeps the OEM look of the car and it just looks a little bit more uppity, more upgraded. It's more comfortable, especially if you're driving barefoot, which I hope you're not, but it does feel really good. One thing to note is that they didn't have to flex this hard on us with the floor mats and the carpeting, but also the scented cards. This is when a company goes from being good to being absolutely amazing. The fact that you are buying floor mats for your car and they decided we're gonna create scented cards for them to enjoy with their new floor mats just goes the extra mile, and it's just good customer service as well as good company business with their clients. So for those reasons, I think 3W has gained the seal of approval from C3S Garage, and I think is a good product to have. I also want to point out that 3W Liners not only makes floor mats for your Tesla Model Y, but also your Model 3, your Model Juniper, your Cybertruck, as well as your Model S and X, and a ton of different EV models, as well as different types of trucks and cars or any type of vehicle. Don't forget to use my discount code C3S Garage at checkout for your next floor mats. Hopefully 3W is what you guys are gonna get because I think it's at absolute perfection when it comes to floor mats. And as always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.